In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Overwatch 2 support through Blizzard's Battle.net platform. Whether you're experiencing technical issues, have questions about gameplay, or need assistance with your account, reaching out to customer support can be an essential step in resolving your concerns. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to the official Blizzard website. If you haven't already, make sure you log into your Battle.net account. This is crucial because being logged in allows you to access personalized support and ensures that any tickets you submit are associated with your account. Once you're logged in, look for the upper menu of the web page where you'll see the Support option. Click on this, and you'll be directed to the main support page. On the Blizzard support page, you'll have a variety of options, including a search bar where you can type in keywords related to your issue. This is a great first step because Blizzard has an extensive knowledge base that may have already documented the answer or solution to your problem. Go ahead and type something like Overwatch 2 issues into the search bar to see if your issue has a quick fix. If nothing seems to match your situation, don't worry, help is still at hand. Next, for issues that require more direct attention, you'll want to scroll down to find the Contact Support button. Clicking this will guide you to a series of menus where you can specify your issue more precisely. Here, select Overwatch 2 from the list of Blizzard games, which will direct you to a page dedicated to Overwatch 2 support options. It's important to be as specific as possible when categorizing your issue here. Doing so helps streamline the process, as it guides you through various troubleshooting steps and ensures your concern reaches the right people faster. As you proceed, you will likely be asked to describe your issue in detail. Take your time to explain what you're experiencing, including any error messages or abnormal gameplay behavior. The more details you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to assist you effectively. If there are any steps you have already taken to resolve the issue on your own, be sure to include those as well. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary information, submit your request. You'll receive a confirmation email or message indicating that your support ticket has been logged. Keep an eye on your email or the Battle.net message center for any follow-ups from the support team. They might provide a direct solution, ask for additional information, or guide you through further troubleshooting steps. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully reach out to Overwatch 2 support and get the help you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Until next time, good luck, and happy gaming!